exercise is a modified V-sit. And basically for this one, we work the entire chain of abs, upper, lower, middle, everything. So this is the more easy version, the modified version, that looks like this. So you lift up to here and you go back down. You lift up to here and you go back down. In fact, it can be even easier. So once you go back up, and you go back up, so these legs can be down, just relax. Yeah. So this is like the easy version, right? And then to make it like the harder version, the actual V-sit kind of looks like this. So you start with your hands over here, okay? And then you go up all the way, you go down. And up all the way, down. That's right. And over time, you might want to learn how to control that to be slower. As you get stronger, you might want to do it fast as well. That leads to explosive strength. So it's really up to you, based on the workouts that we'll be doing together, whether you need control, whether you need strength, whether you need conditioning, whether you need power. So based on that, we'll adjust the tempo accordingly. But that's the movement.